Yo, what up guys, welcome back to another video. My welding table, I wanted to build it this way here, and I actually found some diamond plates, and I actually googled it, searched it, and I actually found the perfect one. I went to OnlineDiamondPlate.com. Man, they got so many different kinds. They got black, gunmetal gray, and they got chrome. They all come at 0.25 thickness, but today I'm going to do some upgrades to my welding table, my back wall, and my two side panels. On these two side panels, they're actually uncovered, so that's why I order these diamond plates in 4x8, I believe. If you guys need smaller sizes, they actually cut it for you. They cut it for you whatever size you want. I really don't want that thick metal because just when I hang it, it's gonna come down, or you know, it's too much hassle. And this one you could remove, add, remove, and add. That's what I love about these guys right here. Alright guys, so they do come in a nice package when they shipped it to you guys, and I removed that one already just to measure it. And it's, so this is how it actually comes here. So, and I forgot what these rivets called. So they come to the side here, and then I'm just gonna, where's the side? Oh, it's right here. So then you could just pull it, snap on, and the whole plates come out, or either you could just lift it from the inside. I'm gonna measure the sizes of the frame for the two side rails, and then what I'm gonna do on the last, I'm gonna do the frame on the top. So right now I'm gonna measure both of them from both sides. Two side panels already, so right now what I gotta work on is the two bottom ones. Alright guys, there you go, just finished doing my left side frame. You guys saw what I used, 2-inch screws on each corner. I used 2 on each side, and then what I'm gonna do, once I'm gonna put this, you know what, I'm gonna put this over it just like that, you know, like a frame. So like that, I could just slide it to the side of the panel, so it could be easy access for me. And then what I did on my welding table, if you guys see those holes right there, I'm just gonna put big screws between here. So like that, if I wanna just take them out, I just take the screw out and the whole side panel will go out. Now what I'm gonna use to hold these diamond plates into the wood, I'm gonna use these 5/8. And they're not gonna be able to see it just because they're gonna be chrome, just like the diamond plate. I'm just gonna do probably 4, 2, 1 in each corner, and then that should be good. All right, guys, just made one of my plates right here, and I just did the 5/8 screws on each side. I just put 4 and 4, and then 2 and 2. So this is how it looks from the back. This is how I made it. So let's put it in the slot, and we'll see how it comes out. So what I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna slide it in there. Nice and easy. So there you go, guys. I got one panel on there. Oh man, that looks beautiful. So what I did on the left side, on that side, I just put a safety bolt in it, just like that. I'm gonna tie it a little bit so it could stay still. Once I want to remove it and take the toolboxes out, I'm just gonna take that little, I'll probably put a butterfly better so it could just come out easily. So right now, that's how it is. That's how I actually imagined it was gonna come out. It's also flush. I'm gonna do the other side and then that one. So the other side, It's gonna be basically the same thing as this side. It's gonna stay flush and everything. I just gotta do the frame, but I'll get back to you as soon as I'm working on that one, guys. Alright guys, there you go. One panel is done. I still need to get just a little strip right here, but I'm gonna get a bar because I know I got an idea what I'm gonna do with this top part where you can see the wood. I don't worry about that. So here you go. So it's already in there. The only thing that's holding it is this bolt here, but I put this bolt here because I'm gonna also use it for my welding ground. So it's grabbed down with my welder table, and there you go. So right now it's stiff, and there you go. The diamond sheet metal. Let me know what you guys think. So it's also flushed, so I made it flush. It's easy to work with. That's what I like about it. If you guys need to cut it into sizes, you guys could cut it easily. You guys could use wire cutters. You guys could use that grinder, a drummer, or you guys could use that sheet metal cutter. Alright guys, I'm about to install them. What I did also, I used these bolts that I'm gonna secure it right there, and then it's gonna tie. I did a nut thread. So let's get and install this one. You guys can see. And there you go, you guys, it's already installed. It's pretty secure. I'm gonna end up doing one on that end, but I don't worry about that one right now. My two panels, my welding table. Oh man, it looks sexier. But it's gonna be way better when I install this big board right here, this big sheet. I'm gonna install it back there. I'm gonna do the same thing with the wood frame. It's gonna go the same across and then upwards, and that's it. So I'm gonna install that one. I'm gonna take you guys with me. But I love this. Flexible. You guys need to cut it, like I said, easy cut, easy flex. Alright guys, just finished removing the Batman sign from the wall. Right now I'm gonna measure across, which I already did. Use my tape measure, but I gotta measure the exact one that they sent to see if it's the actual size cut that I ordered. But let me measure this one quick. Alright guys, next step for the wall. I just put one barrier from the top and then two sides, if you guys can see. Because once I put the diamond plate, I'm just gonna put screws. I think it's 4 there and 3 there, and then on the bottom nothing, because it's gonna be right behind the welding table. So let's get that one up there, and let's see the finished product. Alright guys, so I just finished installing the whole diamond plate sheet. I end up removing that one just to get to the back. So I left a little bit out, below. They actually sent the perfect measurements. I didn't even have to cut nothing. Thanks again, OnlineDiamondPlate. Sure will be ordering some more stuff. So what I like about this product is that it comes, plastic wrapped. Once you finish installing it, right now I still got the plastic, on all 3 panels. So it's just peel up. And there you go. Wow, look at that shine. That's what I'm talking about. So if you guys can see right here, looks blurry. Shine, blurry, shine. Man, look at that shininess. Oh man. Now it lights up a little bit more, gives that little beautiful shadow on it. Back up a little bit more. And there you go, my welding table. Got that panel. I'm gonna end up removing that the plastic right now. But damn, I'm gonna start cleaning up here a little bit, guys, and I'm gonna show you guys right now once I clean everything up, and I'll come back with everything loaded. Alright guys, this is the update of the diamond plate. If you guys can see, it's already done. I already cleaned my welding table, and this is the finished design right here. Alright guys, thank you so much for OnlineDiamondPlate.com. Diamond style, which I love this so much. That's what I actually chose them. You guys can see it's already done. Took the plastic wrapping out, and this is the finished gloss. Like I said, they got gunmetal gray, black, and this chrome. Alright guys, here you go. I will be leaving the link below of Online Diamond Plate website, so you guys can check it out. Order you some plates. They cut them for size, any size you guys want. They'll ship them out to you guys. I received them so fast, like maybe 2 days. And yeah, check them out, and thank you so much. And alright guys, this is the next project coming up. So let me get to this, guys. Stop bothering me, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.